welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do my bike checks. I just got my new bike built up. I've had it for a few days. I've already been riding it. Haven't felt like filming much, so I was just kind of cruising around, enjoying the new bike. So I'm going to give you a breakdown of what I got. So I got the Beam Time-Arrow frame. It's a 12.9 inch chainstay slant, 13.2 center. I'm running it slammed, gives it a nice short, snappy feel. This has a 75.5 degree head tube angle. It's right in the middle. It's a good feel. I like it so far. I got it in the 20.75 inch top tube. Good size. Fits me perfectly. And it has the ovalized down tube for extra strength. And let's start up here. I got the Fiction Root Grips, I think they are. I got these before and I really liked them, so I got them again. I got the Kink Rex bars in a 9.5 rise. They come in a 29.5 width, and I cut them down to like 26.5. I got this Salt AM stem front load. It's a 50mm reach, and I got the Fiction shank forks with a 26mm offset, and I got the Fiction Hydra tires again. These were good tires, lasted a while. I got Kink tubes. I got these Fiction plastic pegs, and the Rant nylon hub guard on my front wheel. And this front wheel is the Salt Everest wheel. I plan on getting new wheels. The rear one is going to be the Salt wheel again, and I think the front wheel is a Cinema one. And I got these Rant pedals. Really like the slim look of them. Have good platform, really grippy. I got the Stolen Talon cranks with a 165mm offset. The Shadow Sabotage guarded sprocket with a 28 tooth, and a Colt 510 chain. I got the Salt mid bottom bracket, and of course the same rear end setup as you saw. And I have the Salt fat seat post and I got the Salt seat post to go with it. So let's get a couple clips and the new bike. Let me just switch 180 off the leg. Got like 180 off the ledge. When I'll do the 180, I'm going to switch my feet around. See what I mean? And I think I'm just going to do a turn down off the ramp. That's all for today. I got a couple clips earlier, so I'll throw those in at the end here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Yeah! Look at that.